Hey everyone. So as we seen in the last class, we already deactivated the Windows credentials. After deactivating this Windows credentials, we had discovered one quick discovery we had done. So once we discovered, we got this error as we seen in the last class, right? So I'm just planning to create a new credential for the Windows server. So I will just go to the credentials. Here there is two credentials are found for SNMP having one, for Windows is having one. So we have deactivated this Windows credentials. So we are going to create a new credential for Windows Discovery. So let me do that. I need to click this Windows credentials. So I just give the name called student to credentials. Uh, Username I'm providing administrator dot password. We are using the uh, mid server password we do have. So I just copy the mid server password and paste it in here. Once we paste this one, we can able to save this page. So once this credential has been saved, we need to do the testing. What will be the target IP? We are using the this mid server target IP. This is a port number is related to the Windows Server port number. Mid server we are using the already using the one mid server only, so I am using this one. I click OK. So it should need to be successful. Then only it will we can able to discover. Otherwise, again we will get a error. So the credential has been validated. So I'm going to do the new discovery now. So now I will go to the schedule discovery. We are already creating this my Windows Server discovery. So now I am going to do the discovery now, a quick discovery. So once the state has been completed, we can able to see the errors and logs, CCCQ, those kind of things we are given. So after we do the quick discovery again, so the device is getting discovered properly in this DIS 015. So like this we are doing the troubleshooting process and all. So now we are going to check whether the PowerShell is installed or not in our virtual machine. So let's check. So here we need to type a dollar PS version cable. So the PowerShell version is installed already. So we can good to use the IP address related to the PowerShell. So PowerShell has been installed on the mid server means we should need to make sure the PowerShell is installed or not in within our environment. Then only we can set up the credential. So let's do that. We already created this one, but we are not gonna use this because the for a particular PowerShell related IP address, this won't be work. So I will just going to create a new one. Windows credentials dot administrator. I am going to use the PowerShell related password. This is a PowerShell related password. So I just gonna use the different IP address which is related to the PowerShell. So this is our IP address 192.51.171.250. This is our PowerShell related IP address. Once we click OK, it should need to be validated. So its credential is validated. Now we just going to the discovery home. There is one thing we need to be creating another schedule here. So before going into the schedule, um, one thing, quick discovery is very useful if it is necessary to discover one device quickly. So, and it is not necessary to rediscover the device on the continual basis. If it is necessary to discover a device or a range of devices on the continual basis, it is recommended to set up a schedule. So now I am going to discovery home. So it's loading. It's bit late. So here we are just going to create a schedule in a different way. So I just uh, click in here. This is the schedule we already created. I just select this one. Discover devices already having one. So I just going to add a new IP schedule. So here there is a drop down is there. I just click this and add IP schedule. Add a cloud schedule means if we do have use any AWS related thing, Azure related thing, those kind of things are can be configured in the cloud related this schedule. So now I'll just create a new Windows schedule. So we already using this specific mid server. So this is the Windows mid server we are using. I will click save. So once we save this one, we need to uh, do the quick ranges. In this quick ranges, we are going to use this IP address. So once we click make changes, we will get a discovery IP ranges. We are going to do the quick discovery. So here there is a discover now option is there. So we need to start this discovery. For this discovery, we will get another device based on the new IP address. So let's see how the IP address is populating, and also in the home discovery home we can able to see another one schedule also. So let's see how the thing is going to populate. Once the state is getting completed, we can able to see the devices, CMDB CA devices. So the Windows server is classified. So now our device got discovered. So all the state got completed, no errors found in the discovery log. So all are going good. Now I just going to check the discovery home. Here the schedule is created too. So that's how today's video. We will see further video on tomorrow. Thank you for watching my video.